Hello guys, my name is David and today we're going to talk about experiment 10 in case tools. The topic given to me was hospital management system, and we're going to talk about various classes and how to implement it. The first one would be class diagram. So in the class diagram we've got many defined classes like doctor, server, patient, appointment, payment, billing system, pharmacist, receptionist. So what we do here is we define each class we define each class with its attributes and with its methods. So the attributes given here is ID, name, department, specialization, and timing for the doctor. And the methods given to the doctor are check schedule, check appointment, check patient record, and enter treatment details. Similarly, it's for the same. Similarly, for the patient, it's the same. Name, age, check. Then the methods given are register, where the patient has to register himself for taking the appointment with the doctor. Then get appointment, pay bill, buy drugs, and the receptionist does the same. He registers the patients, books appointments for the patients, and he prints the bill, where he accepts the payment too. Then it goes to the pharmacist where ID and name of the patient is taken, and the medicines are given. Enter bill details. And in the billing system, the patient details, amount, service used, and mode of payment have been recorded. Where after recording all the details details of the patient, all the details of the drugs that he's bought will be enlisted in that. So this is the class diagram, and similarly after the class diagram, let's look at activity diagram. In the activity diagram, what happens is just a second. Yeah, in the activity diagram, what happens is the definition of how the user moves from one to another, moves from one location to another with the help of a series of statements. So here we have login, then we have validate, then the patient is validated. If he is validated, then he is logged in, else no, he's asked to log in again. Once he is done with that, the search doctor, a doctor is searched for the patient who is logged in. If the doctor is available, appointment is then uh, initiated and then confirmed. If it is not confirmed, it goes to the terminal state, end state. Then he goes for diagnosis. Then after diagnosis, uh, then schedule admission, and if he is not admitted, he will be discharged. So if admission is confirmed, then he is admitted. If admitted, then surgery if required, or else no. Then if surgery is required, surgery approved, then surgery done. Then immediately after that, they go to the end state where the patient is finally discharged. Then they give him the prescription and the billing, and immediately after that, he pays the bill through the mode um, he is most capable of, the mode which is most suitable for him, and then it goes to the terminal state. Now let's look at sequence diagram. In the sequence diagram, it is the sequential flow of how this is the sequential flow of how the interaction between patient, receptionist, the server, the doctor all takes place. So here we have register, create profile, new patient, confirmation sent, and then get appointment, validate profile. Once it is once the profile is validated, appointment is booked. Once the appointment is booked, update appointment, confirmation sent. Then immediately after that, the diagnosis with the doctor goes on. Then after that, the user with the receptionist pays the bill, then validates the amount and payment is confirmed. Then payment is updated in the server. Uh, Payment confirmed, confirmation sent. Uh, then the sequence that happens with the doctor is the consultation first takes place, then check appointment, validate appointment, confirmation is sent back. Then the doctor creates the patient's database. Then database is created, enter the diagnosis, treatment details, all are updated under the patient database, and the treatment is sent back to the patient again. So this is the required output for our last 10th experiment in case tools, and see you in the lab.